Welcome back to my channel. So for today, let me show you how to make a Facebook chatbot in under 10 minutes. And if you're gonna stick with me until the end, I will share with you the first chatbot that I have made. But before I will show you the step-by-step setup on how to make a Facebook chatbot, I will show you how this chatbot actually works so that you will see the benefit of it and you can really tell to yourself that it's actually worth it and it's really useful for your business. In today's generation, we are engaged in online businesses, and I really think the chatbot will be useful for your business. It will really boost your Facebook page and it will help you, especially in connecting people. So let's get started.
So I opened my Messenger app and then I typed the Bubbling Photography FB page. As you can see in here, you will see a Get Started button. And when I click the Get Started button, you can see a welcome message saying, "Hi, I'm Mvil Sandoval. Thanks for getting in touch with Bubbling Photography on Messenger. Please send us any questions you may have." And there are 3 variety of choices that you can select: the 2020 price list, office hours, and the see more buttons. In the welcome message, you can see also the branding image. So now I will select 2020 price list. Then Bubbling Photography chatbot will immediately respond to the following price lists. Then I will click the graduation portraits price list and the see price list button. So in here, Bubbling Photography chatbot will respond immediately with the following price list, as you can see in the screen.
Afterwards, I will click the home button and let's see what will appear on the screen.
So in here, we can see, "Hi, I'm Mvil Sandoval. Thanks for getting in touch with Bubbling Photography on Messenger. Please send us any questions you may have." Then there we go again. We can see the 3 variety choices that we have seen before we have started the chatbot earlier.
So this time, I will click the office hours button and let's see what will appear.
So in here, it says that, "Hi, we are open from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And then I will click the home button again and then it will appear the variety of choices again.
Then I will click the see more button and this will appear.
There are 3 variety of choices in the see more button, which are the toggle soft copy process, payment details, and office location.
So first, I will click the toggle soft copy process button.
And then it will display the following details: toggle soft copy process, "Hi, please email us at plbsoftcopy@gmail.com," and so on and so forth. You can see the screen. And then afterwards,
I will click the payment details button and then it will appear on the screen the payment details steps.
so in here we can see the payment details, and there are 2 ways to pay to Bubbling Photography Studio.
So now, I will click again the home button and as you can see, there are still a variety of choices.
Then lastly, I will click the office location button, and it says here that the office location of Bubbling Photography is in Mezzanine Floor, UC Manila Campus, 6000 Manila, Cebu City, Philippines. And then I will click the home button again. So in here, we will see how the AI or the artificial intelligence will respond to the message being encoded by the user. So I will type "Hi," and then the chatbot or the AI will reply,
"Hi, thanks for getting in touch with Bubbling Photography on Messenger. Please send us any questions you have."
I will type "Naanay soft copy," and then the AI will reply, "Hi,"
Just wait for the soft copy to be emailed since we sent it out chronologically. Thanks.
and then I will have another message saying, "Dugaya sa akong soft copy," and then the bot will reply,
"Hi, just wait for the soft copy to be emailed since we sent it out chronologically. Thanks."
I will also have the question saying that, "Can I have my graduation picture?" And the bot will reply,
"Hi, just wait for the soft copy to be emailed since we sent it out chronologically. Thanks."
and then I will type again, "Asa inyo," and then the bot will reply the address of Bubbling Photography. Or I will rather type in English, "Where are you located?" The same will appear on the screen. Open mo, and then the bot will reply, we are temporarily closed due to ECQ. We will soon resume when ECQ will be lifted." And it will be stated in here the office hours of Bubbling Photography. Random words or phrases that cannot be understandable by the bot or rather cannot be understandable by a human being, and then this will appear on the screen. Hi, I'm Mvil Sandoval. Thanks for getting in touch with Balbin Photography. On Messenger, our staff will answer your inquiry in a few moments.
There are 3 varieties of buttons that you can choose: Ask Staff, See FB Page, or Home.
This will occur when the bot doesn't understand what the user entered. So I will click the Ask Staff button, and then it will say that you started chat session with our operator. In here, the user will be transported.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
We'll add a button see more, since there are a maximum of 3 buttons that you can add to a text card. So we will create another block called more options, and we will put some elements on it. We'll add the text card, then add buttons on it. So now we're finally done with our welcome message, and let's proceed to the default answer. The default answer will be all about the message that will be sent to the user if the bot does not recognize the text message being sent by the user. So the default answer section will be all about messages that will be sent to the user if the bot doesn't understand or recognize his or her text message. So in this section also, you can create messages in this block that will guide your users. Make sure to avoid creating conversation dead ends. You can add buttons that lead users to other blocks. And remember to use Setup AI to choose what blocks to show based on user-specific inputs. In a nutshell, the default answer block is your bot's default response to any input from a user. To change it, just open your bot's dashboard on https://chatfuel.com. For the second step, we'll set up the artificial intelligence. So in this section, we will set up how bot replies to various text messages. So your bot will understand user phrases similar to those you write on the left and reply with some text or a block. So our bot language in here is English. For the last step, we'll go to they grow. So we will connect our page. So we will activate our bot and we will connect our Facebook page in it. So the page that I have is a public photography, and then so we will just be agreeing to the terms and conditions being applied to. So once we're done, it says that you've now linked Chatfuel to Facebook. And
So I hope you have learned a lot today. So if you have any questions or any content suggestions, feel free to comment it on the comment sections below. And thank you for my subscribers for your undying support, as well as my viewers. Thank you for loving me and making me complete. Type in the comment section below #Mvillsan shoutout so that I will know that you have reached this far and shoutout din kita. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button below. And also, click on the notification bell so that you will be updated on my latest vlog. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Mvillsan. So, that's it. So, choose to be happy, healthy, honest, and hopeful. Stay safe. Peace.